Alrighty, let's jump into the daily trade recap for May 31st, 2023. Good day in the portfolio today for us, up $1,324. We had 4 closed trades, 3 winners, 1 loser. We'll talk about those trades as we go. Just a quick portfolio update. I know I posted a video as well today on the portfolio itself, the account, how I manage it, how we hedge some of what we do in there. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check out that video. Also, to let you know, we ended today with 319 positive theta, which is 0.12% of the portfolio, which is perfectly in line with our goals. And we have a delta of 784, which is a 0.29% of portfolio value. It's a little light. We're just trying to keep that delta high and keep that portfolio buying power within the limits there. We did end the month, if you count today's trades, we ended the month up 3.51% for $9,343 in realized income. So hit our income goals for the month, 3.51% increase. We keep just rolling along. Let's jump into the trades. All right, first trade here is, as you know, it's Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we open and close our weekly Strangle trades on both the GC, which is gold futures, and ES, which is the S&P 500 futures. So let's take a quick look at the first one here. You'll see the ES July 31st Strangle, the 34.50, 45.75 Strangle that we opened on May 3rd for a $25 credit. Again, every Wednesday, we open a roughly 90 DTE Strangle, and then we close every Wednesday the most profitable of the 4 that we have on. So we closed this one today. It was the oldest and most profitable. We closed it for a $13 debit. We ended up exactly 28 days in trade, 4 weeks. 48% premium capture, so almost hit that 50% in the 4 weeks. So 48% premium capture turned out to be a 14.0% return on the margin used and a $600 gain in this trade. So positive there on the ES. And then also when we take a look at the next trade, which is our gold Strangle, we did the July 26th gold Strangle, or GC futures Strangle, the 1830 2425 Strangle. We opened this for a $10.10 credit back on May 3rd as well. Closed it today, May 31st, at $4.40 debit. Turned out to be a 56.4% premium capture, so more than our 50% on that trade, which turned out to also be a 17% return on margin. $570 to the good on these trades. So these 2 trades together netting close to $1,100, which is our goal every week on these trades. Next trade was a little bit of a loser. We opened a Microsoft put butterfly back on 5/24, and as luck would have it, the NVIDIA earnings hit and drove the entire market up. Microsoft looked like it was heading for a pullback. All signs pointed to that pullback, and then NVIDIA hit and just reversed the entire market for several days. So we closed this one out for a loser. I could have let it expire. I just wanted to close it out, finish out the month with that. So I closed it today as opposed to letting it expire on June 2nd, which would be Friday. Just wanted to close it out and put it into this month. 7 days in this trade, lost $246 on it. We'll move on. Can't be right on direction every single time. And then the last trade here was a futures Strangle again. So this is one of our Strangle on futures trades, not part of that weekly session. This is the Aussie dollar futures. We opened this trade on May 1st. We did the August 4 Strangle, the 0.605, 0.725. And we did this for 0.0024 credit. And as you know, or may not know, the Aussie dollar futures trade with a 10,000 multiplier. So just a heads up on that. Closed it today on May 31st for a 0.0016 debit. 30 days in this trade, we took 33.3% out of the trade, which turned out to be a 12.1% return on our margin and a $400 winner on this trade. We closed it a little bit early. Normally, I will wait for a 50% on this. With some of the U.S. dollar heading higher and some pressure on not only the Aussie dollar futures, but on the British and Euro dollar futures. I thought I would just close this one, take it off, save that BP to use on another trade. So we did close it early, 30 days only in this particular trade, 12% return on margin. Can't beat that for a $400 winner. So again, recap today, $1,324 to the good on our daily trades. Finished up the month with a fantastic 3.5% return on net lick and a $9,343 realized gain, passing our targets for the month. All right. If you enjoyed this daily recap, you like these trades, you want to see more, go ahead and click the like button. We would appreciate it. Go ahead and click subscribe if you're not a subscriber so you can get the alerts on this channel. You can go ahead and check us out in the Discord and other videos that we have on YouTube here. We're also posting on Twitter and in Facebook groups. So if you want, check us out. Hope this thing helps you improve your own trading. Have a great rest of your day, everybody.